Well, it's good to have you art students back again for doing some projects in Genesis Art Quest. I want to continue with this unit on drawing, taking what we had learned last time with 1-point linear perspective. I want to show you an extra little project that you can do on your own, or maybe in your sketchbook. I know you have sketchbook assignments that are separate from this, but I think this is worth just bringing to your attention. It's a fun extra thing that can be done with a 1-point perspective. I'll explain with this example here, where the student is taking angular shapes, just squares and rectangles, and then converting them not only into 2D forms but into believable objects. It's kind of like the 1-point perspective appliances in space. Today, however, we're going to take a number of other shapes that are all geometric and to see how they are converted into typical 2D forms. And your parallel diagonal line. Welcome back, young artist. As I had gone over early on about drawing, it's really an illusion that tricks a person's eye, tricks the viewer's eye into thinking that what they're looking at is real. Shading to show form is a tool that artists use when drawing to kind of enhance that whole illusion. Shading is basically broken down into these various degrees from dark to light. The application for this type of shading has been used throughout art history. Here are just a couple of examples of how artists have utilized this tool to, again, create the illusion of 2D form. Here's a portrait that's drawn, and really the head shape being nothing more than a spherical form. Still life objects are obviously a good example. Anything that is spherical, again, becomes a great way of conveying that form through. Suspended in space. You're looking up at the bottom of it. Now there's one more that a triangle can be turned into, but it's a little tricky. What's your guess? Yeah, I think you've got it. A cone would be exactly right. What is low dark? What is medium? What is light? If you start with a 5-point scale at this point while you're doing your shading, that's going to be great. Later on, when we get into more complicated drawing projects, you have a broader scale than that.